Hey guys, welcome to Smoo's Workshop. It's Terry here. Hello, 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 hello. That's my hand. Hello. Right, this is a fun little car that I did. It was part of a group build over on Smoo's Dungeon. It's an Airfix starter kit. I'll just post up the picture of the kit just now. Right, back to me, and this is the completed car. So, I'm going to run through loads of how I built it and all the rest of it, but I'll just put it on the turntable there. So this is a 1/32 scale Airfix Beetle, as I say, in the starter kit. So what I've done here is I've painted it in a lovely Mr. Colour yellow lacquer and polished it all up and wet sanded it all back and got it all super shiny and stuff. And then I stuck some rather flower power pansy decals on it. I've got all wee smiley faces and everything in them. So you can probably see there's a really nice shine on this little bug. Quite chuffed with it. It's a bit of practice for me. I don't usually do cars, so I thought instead of having chrome that the gold would go quite nice against the yellow. There's probably a bit of dust and stuff on it now, but yeah, it's completed. So I just thought, I didn't video the build or anything like that. There are pictures over on Smoo's Workshop and on my Instagram. But I just thought I'd let you see what the little beastie looks like close up and a little bit of the reflection and stuff. So, fair chuffed with how it's turned out. I've never really done super shiny. It's not 2K clear, it's just a 1K clear and some elbow grease. And maybe when it catches the light there, you might just see the shine coming across it. So yeah, really chuffed with it. Fun wee build. And yeah, that's it. Without any further ado, as my good friend Colin at Festa67's Workshop would say. That's it. Done and dusted. My little VW bug. Flower Power Edition. Right, that's it. I'll catch you later, guys, and happy modelling. See yous.